Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make free call. So here we go to App Store. You have to download this app. I will give you the app link in the description below. Link down. Yeah, I already downloaded this app. Open the app and over here you will see I have 42 credits yet. How to make a free credit, how to make call, how to make messages, etc. Everything will be here. You can get to or you can get over here number, free number. We are going to get free credit today. So in free credits, daily check-in today. Earn 2 credits for tweeting. What's wrong is going on with this? Okay, leave this. 43 credits now. It will goes up. $44. Watch Summit. Connect brand. Over here it will show some ads like this, and you can skip this ad. 44 because this ad was not for the credit. Now this app is for the credit because it shows the time 25, 24, 23. You will wait for it, then you will receive the credit. And this app is very interesting and very helpful to make a free call. If you don't have any balance in your cell phone, so you can just turn on your mobile data and make a call from over here to mobile phone. Again we have another, now 45. Go again. Just watch these ads and you will get the credit. One credit I received. Okay, back to page. Wait for a second. And you can also add your number in this app. The receiver will get the unknown number, a private number. One credit more I just get. Now again. How much credit I am going to make today now? A few seconds. Now again. One credit more. I go back. Just watching this ad. Nothing else you can do. One credit more. How much they are giving me for such type of ads? I don't understand. If you are new here, so you can subscribe my channel. You will get such type of content from my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I'm going to show you how much credit I'm going to make in this app. This is very helpful for making calls. If you want to show your number, you can I will show you in the settings. You can also hide your number. Okay, it's enough for me. I think I have to skip this. Okay, just wait for a second. I have to open it again. Wait. Now you will see how much I'm at. 50 credits. Incredible. Over here you can edit your number, your bio, ding dong ID, gender, age, city, home, everything you can edit over here. And I just update this app, and this new thing, keep a kitty win free credit. Just click this. What's going on? Let's see. Okay, yep, explore now. Cool. Earn fish, pay. Type your kitty name. I'm going to edit this by Iku. Ikukit would be better. Thanks. My pleasure. Now edit. How? Your kitty leveled up. Thank you. Okay, go back. Yeah, over here we get lots of free credit. More lucky. Get more free credit. $51. Okay, is there any new ad? I'll check it out. No, this is not the app. Complete an offer. Over here you can get a lot of credits. Once you say on, take a survey, such type of things. Over here you can also share, and you can also purchase a credit. Daily lottery, you can get the lottery over here. Test my luck. I'm going to take for 3 credit 1 ticket. I'm going to 2 tickets. Okay, go. We'll check it tomorrow what they will give me. Okay, thanks. After 6 hours there will be lottery result. 45. It goes down because of the lottery ticket. So here we go, the messages, such, and over here you can get your phone number, United States, Canada, which country would you like. Private number you can get from here, and get free credit, down membership, 100 plus point waiting to receive. I have just 61 points yet now. And this over here contact, it can show your contacts over here, and you can call from here. So I hope you people like this video, and if this video is helpful for you, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next video.